Oh, we got us a ways to go. How do you want... Let's go ahead and start moving this. I don't know how, though. Do you want to go down to these houses? Or to the ruins into Watertown?
Yeah, let's loop to the ruins, maybe.
We got a lot of good cover here. Let's see if we can see anybody on this hill. Airdrops to our...
Saw that right in the middle of the field.
I'm gonna start moving into these foothills here.
Yep. I see guys, 300 running, just one looks like, running to the circle. Probably, yeah, 300, probably 400 meters out. But he's gonna be...
I see him, I see him. I'm in really good cover here, dude. If you can get to me. I'm not in yet, but I got really good cover, like 360-degree cover. I'm almost in. If you can get to me.
Coming. I can get to you. I was just kind of trying to... Don't want that guy to sneak up behind us. We know he's coming, so...
Yep, I'm looking back now. Almost in. I got a little deafy. Got eyes on him. Due west of me. He fell on the crack of that mountain. Yep. He'll come out the right. He's probably healing. There he is.
Yep.
He's knocked out.
Where's his body?
I don't know. Should I finish him or no? Didn't want him to give our position.
It's a great shot.
Thank you, sir. What does this map look?
He just came over the hill, same spot.
Roger that. He must be healing.
Yep,
See him?
moving again.
Yep. I'm moving to Watertown. There's a couple of hills here.
I can get him, but he just died.
Yep.
I didn't want to shoot.
I know, because Watertown's going to be pretty gnarly. The doors are open.
Guy doesn't feel like he's running. Probably because I was crouched.
40 seconds. Kind of moving towards our car compound.
Yep. Sounds like a water tower has somebody up there.
Yeah. Actually, our car compound's out. I see on the hill. When you crest over, you're gonna see two groups fighting there.
One just got hit. Yep. Oh, there's 3 groups there.
Yeah.
4 hit. There's one to the set of trees to the right. Set of trees to the right.
Stay left. Stay left on the hill if you can. We might be able to get at least in without them seeing. Ooh, big gun. So let them engage, and then we can say
guy
hello.
right here.
He's dead.
Behind the car? Oh, behind
car.
us. Behind us, sub 210.
In the field far? Yeah.
Yep.
I see him. And by the crate. These guys are hurting outside the zone. I got eyes on one. Hope he's dead. Another one's up the hill.
Behind us. Behind the tree. Behind the tree.
Go one side, I'll go the other. This close tree is you?
Heal.
Your close tree?
It's next tree over. Yep.
Next tree. He's got a shot on his head. He's hurt. Doesn't know where it is. He's moving out. He's on the right side of the tree. Oh, God. He's at the bush behind the tree. He cleared. He's over the def. I whiffed my other 4. I see him. He's dead.
Shoot attacks. Keep pop smoke too. We're gonna have to check our 6.
I'm in for next circle. We might have people still back here.
I know that there was a big sniper around here.
I'm in where I am.
Getting shot from Rzinki. Or whatever that town is.
Rosshawk,
Cock. I'm in too.
I got eyes. He shot at me. Got a hit on him by a rock. 2 hits. He's east 105.
2 guys. Fuck.
Get down, I think.
I'm trying. There's another guy to the east. Looks like he's looking for them.
I'm letting him shoot him. I'm coming for you. Stay by the... Don't move, don't move.
There are 2 of them direct northeast.
Yeah, I saw him. Go prone, this guy's coming for you.
He's knocked down.
I'm knocked down. Right next to you. I'm the KO'd. Next to you.
Killed him. Sorry, he was zooming in on me.
No, it goes good.
One
good.
alive.
One left. Yep. He's to the right. I hit him twice with the car. He was over the hill at a rock. I'm sure he's moved. He was on the other side of this big hill. I gotta heal.
We're in the zone, so I'm healing too. Juice the fuck up too.
Yeah, so he's gonna be east over this big hill.
100% sure about that.
Yeah, I was shooting at him when you got ganked by these 2 guys.
Yeah, but I saw another guy go east on top of the hill.
Yeah, but he had a trench coat, right? This other guy was sleeveless.
Right above us. Right above us.
I know. I saw him. I'm flanking. You stay there. Keep eyes, because he's gonna know we're back there.
Let me know when you're crossing.
I'm crossing. I'm coming up now.
He's looking at me.
Coming.
Dead.
Sweet games, bro.
Fuck yeah.